everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live 10. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Durban from the 24th to the 28th of January 2022 on Monday. Linda shocks Mbali and they ask her to move in with him. Bengo's financial woes are starting to catch up with him, and Dr. Dlomo overhears the nurses discussing disturbing details about his breakup with Sneh on Tuesday. Mbali is being bullied, but she takes it without complaining. Sneh failed to resist Dr. Dlomo's charm. Bengo's family is sucking him dry financially on Wednesday. Mbali tried to make sure that Mrs. Madlala keep to her diet. Bengo gets punched for being Babu Gumede's son or Babu Bengo's son. Sneh wanted to confess her pregnancy to Dr. Dlomo on Thursday. Pumeza criticized Sneh for not coming clean with Dlomo. Nindilani is mad at Mbali for not talking to Mrs. Madlala. Bengo turns things around for his sister on Friday. Mbali stopped dancing to Agatha's drum and Bengo has to face music. Will Sneh finally come clean to Dr. Dlomo about her bundles of joy? Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.